Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, The Happy Prince. In our previous session, we came to know that Happy Prince and Swallow Bird helped poor hungry children by giving them leaf of gold, fine gold. Then poor children become very happy and they cried, "We have bread now." Okay, now let's continue the lesson. Then the snow came, and after the snow came the frost. The streets looked as if they were made of silver. Everybody went about in furs, and the little boys wore scarlet caps and skated on the ice. See here. Then the snow started to fall. After snow, frost started to come. The streets looked as if they were made of silver. Okay, snow. The roads were covered with snow. That's why roads were looking like they were made of silver. Everybody went about in furs. Everybody used to wear furs. Furs means here hairy coat. Okay, the coat which is made of hair of animals. And little boys wore scarlet caps. Little boys, they wore scarlet caps. Scarlet caps means red color caps. And skated on the ice. And small children, they used to skate on the ice. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. He loved him too well. He picked up crumbs outside baker's door when the baker was not looking and tried to keep himself warm by flopping his wings. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder. Cold was increasing. This bird, it was getting colder and colder. But he would not leave the prince. Then also he was not ready to leave the prince, happy prince. He loved him too well because he loved that happy prince very much. He picked up crumbs outside the baker's door when the baker was not looking in order to fulfill his stomach. He used to pick up crumbs mean piece of bread outside the baker's door when baker was not looking and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. And he tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. But at last he knew that he was going to die. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more. "Goodbye, dear prince," he murmured. "Will you let me kiss your hand?" See, but at last he knew means swallow bird knew that he was going to die. He was about to die. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more. Okay, he became very weak. He had enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more. Last time he could fly there. "Goodbye, dear prince," he murmured. Okay, he told in an unclear voice to the king, "Goodbye, dear prince. Will you let me kiss your hand?" And he asked the happy prince, "Will you let me kiss your hand?" "I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last," little swallow, said the prince. Then Happy Prince said, I am glad at last you have decided to go to Egypt. Hearing this, I became very happy. You have stayed too long here, but you must kiss me on the lips, for I love you. Then he said, you stayed here for a long time. You helped me a lot. You should not kiss me on my hand. You have to kiss me on the lips, for I love you. The Happy Prince said to the bird like this. It is not to Egypt I am going, said the swallow. I am going to the house of death. Death is the brother of sleep, is he not? Then bird said, it is not to Egypt I am going. I am not going to Egypt. I am going to house of death. I am going to house of death means I am going to die. And also he said, death is the brother of sleep, is he not? And he said, sleep is the brother of death. Okay, there is no much difference between death and sleep. Sleep is nothing but partial death. So he said, death is the brother of sleep, is he not? And he kissed the Happy Prince on the lips and fell down dead at his feet. And bird kissed the Happy Prince on his lips, and immediately he fell down at his feet. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. The fact is that the leaden heart had snapped right in two. It certainly was a dreadfully hard frost. See here. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. When something had broken, what kind of sound would come? Such kind of sound came from inside the Happy Prince statue. In fact, it was that the leaden heart had snapped right in two. Actually, in fact, is that the leaden heart of Happy Prince snapped right in two. Snap means sudden break. That leaden heart broke into two parts. It certainly was dreadfully hard frost. The atmosphere was completely covered with frost. That was terrible. Okay. The atmosphere was also very dreadful one. Dreadful means terrible one. And the incident what had occurred there, that was also terrible one, dreadful one. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.